Graphing inequalities. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is the shape and orientation of the first-order equations with one variable? 2. The same for the first-order inequalities with one variable. 3. How do we identify the direction of the solution set in linear inequalities with one variable? 4. The same for linear inequalities with two variables. 5. How to find the standard form of a linear inequality when its graph is given. 6. What is the shape of a quadratic equation graph? 7. How do we identify the direction of the solution set in quadratic inequalities? Introduction. In the previous tutorials on this chapter, we dealt extensively with inequalities, both linear and quadratic. We explained a number of methods to solve them, where it became clear that inequalities have more solutions than equations. As such, it would be appropriate to show inequalities in a graph, to have easier access to the solutions, as we did in the previous chapter with linear equations. That is all for introduction to graphing inequalities. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 10.3.1, Graphing First-Order Inequalities with One Variable. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.